Hi everyone, I'm Kasia Bosna, wardrobe stylist, fashion badjonista, founder of Boutique on 57, and today I am back to my favorite place, Biologique Recherche in Paris, for my After Sun skin update. And I have a pleasure again to be with Karin Hermann, the directrice of the Biologique Recherche, and she's going to share some secrets with us how to take care of the skin, especially after sun. And summer is such a special time where we don't always really take care of our skin like we're supposed to, and I can promise you that the skin will make us pay if we don't really take care of it. Am I right?
You're right, unfortunately, yes.
So what's the best way if we were ignorant during summer, or if we were kind of exposed to the sun, what's the best way now to nourish it, give back the radiance and glow? Well, or repair it.
Exactly. First of all, as you just said, we need to repair the skin. So to repair the skin, first of all, for the face, which is very important, we will use the most intensive and moisturizing serum that we've got. It's called the Colostrum Pure. It's this serum, kind of a weird color, but very, very efficient. And so this one you apply just under the cream, and the cream would bring some lipids to the skin, and this is the Dermoirelle that you can use with the serum, after the serum, and then it will moisturize to your skin, and then it will repair your skin.
That sounds amazing. And how do you open this thing? It just opens right here on the top.
Yes, you open here, but actually yes. This one is the big serum. You have smaller ones,
okay.
like 30 milli. This one is a big one, so you have to use this one like this. You open this part and you put a syringe. How do you say that in English?
Syringes, yeah.
Syringes, yeah. Sorry. And inside, to preserve the quality of the products and not to get any bacteria inside, and you just, take some products in your hand and you apply directly on your skin.
So you might need to visit also some doctor supply stores to get your syringes ready to go. So the way to get the serum out of the bottle, we put the syringe right inside. So it's almost like in a doctor's office, and we pull it out as much as we need the product. It has a very specific scent, and I'm just going to use my hand so you could see the texture of it. Whoops!
It's okay, don't worry.
And it feels very nice, and here is my glow.
The next product I selected, to repair that will be the skin of the body now. It will be, first of all, to repair it. Again, to bring, to moisturize again the skin, the body skin that might be dry after the sun and the bath during the summer. I propose to mix some oil that we've got, which is called Benefic oil. We can use it, it says actually before or after sun. It's before or after sun oil.
I've used it. Actually, is it for the face? Because I've used it all over. I've used it on the face and on my body.
You can even use it on the hair. You can use it on the face, on the body.
I still have some left, so that's perfect.
Yes, you can use it. It's actually very rich on the face. So if you have kind of seborrheic skin, I would not advise to use it on the face. But actually, after the sun, just to repair, it's a good thing to use it. I selected for the body, but you see, you use it on the face, the result is very good.
Yeah, so thank you.
we can advise, but not if you have like actually
like acne skin or oily skin.
Or no. So I would advise is to mix this cream, which is called Emulsion Originelle Régénérante Corps. It's a body cream, very rich.
Both together, we can mix it. That's fantastic.
This one is full of actives, natural actives, like all our products, and this one would add, the rich part of the oil. And then you can mix it together, and it's a great repair.
That's fantastic.
If you want to try it,
yes,
definitely. Of course. You know this one actually?
Yes, I know this. Yeah.
That's the oil.
Yeah.
I don't know actually if this.
And
one
it's actually
open,
it's actually very sufficient because I use just a little bit, and I already have a glow.
Exactly. Because hydration, but at the same time, it's oil, but it's not like a sticky oil,
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So yeah, it's a very nice texture. Definitely.
Like texture
and moving along, what's
this one
next
would
to me?
That's what the repair phase, So like we use first step, to repair. Then we can have like a firm and tonic body.
Absolutely.
So after the good thing would be to go on with that, So. I would advise the repairing cream. It's crème réparatrice, typically repairing cream. And this one is an amazing and magic cream, you know. I don't know, have you tried that one?
Let me see, because I've used some
It's
that you gave me some samples.
You put it on the neck, you can put it on the bust too, on the legs, inside legs or inside arms. And you
Yes.
can mix it, you know, for like a fantastic, you know, result. You can use it with the Sérum Matriciel. This is a new product.
That's also for the body.
That's for the body, exactly. If you read this article in Vogue, we had a very, very interesting and very good article on this product. French Vogue.
French Vogue.
I'm not sure
Okay.
about the month. I would say, from what I remember, April. I need to check. We can check
Okay.
in the office after, you know. And you can use, you know, this one. It depends, you know, if you want to
How
get
damaged you are.
Indeed. And you can use it so, you know, like if your priority is to repair, you know, to bring some hydration, to moisturize the body skin, then you will probably go for that one. If you
For the
want
repair.
Exactly. Or you can use
Alternate, maybe
exactly
1 week.
1 week.
Moisture, 1 week repair.
One morning, one in the morning, one in the
That's a
evening. You
good
can
idea.
still alternate if you have a little time then to do it.
And the skin is guaranteed to have all the radiance and glow and
exactly.
be
And to
repaired.
be repaired and to be tonic, firm, and for the face the same thing. This will repair, you know, and prevent the damages from the sun that we know after the summer. It's always good to have such
Definitely,
habit.
definitely. Well, thank you so much. I took all the notes, and hopefully you too. So now if you have a damaged skin or you forgot about that SPF, you can still repair your skin and have that glow put right back. So thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you very soon.